This is a very quick video with no fluff on our truck lighting connector. It is just a quick overview and just one video of our extensive video collection. Check out all of our truck lighting videos for detailed and in-depth explanations and troubleshooting. We hope it helps to improve or confirm your understanding of the H-style truck lighting system. We want you to be well informed before you start your project. Now let's get right to it. This is our end power feed with cover, and this cover is made to cover up a junction box on your ceiling that's recessed into the ceiling. Probably one of our most popular covers because it's clean and simple. And I did remove the screw here so we can kind of take this apart right away and take a look. I did want to mention the set screw here and caution you against using any power tools on this. This should just be put in with a screwdriver and just made snug. If you push it in too far, it'll separate the track and then you won't get power to the track. So this is the cover and the power feed. So it's really, really simple. So this bar attaches to your junction box up above and supports the end of the track. And then you're going to come along, of course, and put this right over the top, line up the hole, put the screw in. But for now, we'll leave it off. On the back of this, a couple of features I want to mention. There's a ground and a neutral and then a hot. So when you're lining up your track, you'll see there's the ground is, where is it? It's right there. So the track here at my hand has the ground bus bar right here on this side. So it matches up. And if it didn't match up, you got to take your track and then you'd turn it around. It would go in this way. So it does have polarity. You do have to match things up. If you're trying to put the track in backwards, that ground is going to stick in the way and it's not going to go in, and you don't want to force anything. So this is a little test track we keep, and I actually wrote ground on the side. That's what that little black mark is, because sometimes it's in a position where I can't see it. Also want to mention here on the back next to the ground is this little burr looking thing, and what that is when you put your track in, that burr is going to catch inside the track. And what that does is it stops the track from coming back off, which is good structurally. But if you're in a situation where you're going to need to take your track back off, let's say you're building a display and you want to take it all apart later, take a pair of pliers, open up the channels, and push that burr so it's flat. So that's what that's all about. Other than that, the end power feed with cover is very simple looking and very clean. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication: support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information such as this video and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.